Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I got that last part of that Libra intervention for y'all, part 3. You feel me? So, you gotta stay in your lane, you feel me? You know that much. You gotta worry about you first, worry about your motherfucking self. You know that, you feel me? Sometimes you gotta be about that action. You can't talk about it, you gotta be about it. We learned that, you see what I'm saying? And you feel me, you learn life ain't fair, you feel me? You can't always balance it out. Sometimes it's them or you feel me? So now we gonna get into this last part. We gotta get into part 3, you feel me? So we gonna get y'all just a couple more things y'all gotta work on. Then we gonna wrap it up, you feel me? Until the next time, you feel me? So for my Venus, for my Venusian individuals, you feel me? For my Libra, for my 7th house, you feel me? Here go y'all part 3. So y'all know what time it is. Come on with it.
Oh. I tell him like, I'm like the 2020 Petey Pablo on this motherfucker. Nah, fuck that nigga. I'm like P in this bitch, look. Bad little bitch, call me daddy though. Met the little baby up in Cameo. Classy little bitch and not a ratchet hoe. She be dancing in the mirror, ass clapping.
But like I was saying though, you got to learn how to stay in your own lane. And this also applies to, like I said, not always having to be with someone or be around someone or have somebody with you, or always be associated with another person, place, or thing. You see what I'm saying? With that relationship aspect. A Libra, like I said in that Libra video, a Libra, everybody related to them, close to them, anything they care about, their favorite dog, their favorite cousin, their best friend. You see what I'm saying? Like, you gotta know every relationship they got to know a Libra. Like, you would know a Libra through somebody like, oh, that's that mother who be with such and such all the time. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, don't even know their name. Like, don't get to that point. You see what I'm saying? Always have your own identity. Always form a solid identity and stand firm in yours. You see what I'm saying? Before you venture out and start joining up with others, because you'll start to identify with that, and that'll start to get into you, where you feeling like, you see what I'm saying, you just a part of this situation. You see what I'm saying? And that's more in that unhealthy love video too, so go check that out for more of that. But like I said, make sure you get a solid identity before you just go link it. Just before you go out and just be trying to build out of these relationships, make sure you get you right first. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, you will get caught up in that dynamic where you just known by being known by being, you see what I'm saying? You just a person of the person of the person. You just the man next to the man. And that can happen to you even when you're the one with the plan. You see what I'm saying? You end up being the man next to the man. You the one was with the plan, but they done came and sucked up all the energy and made it do. You see what I'm saying? Put a little spin on it, put a little flair on it, made it look better, and there you go. They offered your idea. Now you stuck. You see what I'm saying? Because you done invested too much in that relationship. You see what I'm saying? Well, you should have been more trying to secure what you had going on to stand in your lane. You see what I'm saying? Bringing somebody over to you. You see what I'm saying? Bringing somebody in your world versus you always having to go over there. Or meet them halfway, you see what I'm saying? Stand firm in what you got going on, you see what I'm saying? Be sure of what you got going on, you feel me? Then y'all can both bring it to the table, you see what I'm saying? But if you always want to wiggle, you see, always, you see what I'm saying? Then you always be stuck in that loop where you just adjusting and that, you see what I'm saying? And with this being cardinal energy, you're not finna stay still, so you're going to be going around starting a bunch of new things. You see what I'm saying? So you get new relationships, new job, you see what I'm saying? Because this is also air, so it's constantly moving, constantly no ideas, constantly, you see what I'm saying? So you can end up, like I said, in that loop where you're just moving and moving and moving and moving and not really investing, you see what I'm saying? Everything is an idea, everything is cool for the moment, you see what I'm saying? Like, you gotta bring that down to that reality, get that earth about yourself, you see what I'm saying? Really get stable, really have a stable plan, really know how you're gonna put these things into, this here reality, you see what I'm saying? Versus it just being a bunch of ideas, a bunch of new idea every day. You always got an idea. You feel me? Sometimes you gotta make moves, you see what I'm saying? Like your fire sign, you feel me? Start engaging in that, making moves, you see what I'm saying? Versus always talking and trying to communicate, because that's how you get your ideas taken too, you see what I'm saying? You always trying to build with somebody, build with somebody. Focus on build your ideas sometimes, you see what I'm saying, before you bring others in, you see what I'm saying? You won't have to worry about that. You won't have to feel no type of way, you see what I'm saying? Because it'll already be understood whose it is to begin with, you see what I'm saying? Versus you bringing somebody in off the rip. Now they getting credit and they ain't even, they might have just put a little flair on it, you see what I'm saying? You like knowing you the mind behind it, but it's like, you did that. You brought this man. You started with them. You could have went out on your own. You had all the tools. You had the idea. You had everything you needed. You just wasn't willing to put in that action or bring it to reality. So you had to bring another person in, and then now you stuck with that. You see what I'm saying? See how you can do it to yourself sometimes? Now, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with collaboration and working with others, but make sure you're solid within yours first, and then start to work with others. Then start to incorporate. You see what I'm saying? Other ideas and other people and other products. You see what I'm saying? But be on your 2 feet solid first. You see what I'm saying? Learn from your fixed signs. You stand solid on your 2 first. You see what I'm saying? Don't always be reaching out to see if somebody can help you or somebody want to do it with you. Sometimes you just got to take that leap. Sometimes you got to take that risk. Get that from that area. Sometimes you got to put it out there. You feel me? Get that from your opposition. Check out that Venus versus Mars opposition. You feel me? Sometimes you got to just put it out there. It is what it is. And don't wait on somebody else or with the always having to relate to somebody else or what somebody else feeling, because you're always taking that into perspective because it's the 7th house. This is the we, you see what I'm saying? This is the relating sign. So you're always thinking about how everybody's going to be able to relate to it. If it's not relatable, even if you like it, you won't put it out there, you see what I'm saying? But sometimes you got to take that Aries, like I said, and that this is what I like and this is what I'm on, and you know what I mean? Get with it or get lost. You see what I'm saying? You got to get on that sometimes, you see what I'm saying? Not wait for somebody else to come on. Oh yeah, that's hot. You see what I'm saying? Let me do this, and this with you. You see what I'm saying? When you already knew you was hot. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, I mean, yeah, just a couple things I gotta work on, you feel me? So y'all don't get stuck in, like I said, that codependent loop that can happen every now and then where you're stuck in toxic relationships with toxic friends, people that, I mean, you got people around, that different friends around that ain't really worth too much. You see what I'm saying? Just got people around taking up space pretty much just because you done been, you see what I'm saying? Just because y'all attached like that y'all relationship is a part of who you are. You see what I'm saying? Oh, that's my best friend, so they gotta be my best friend. Even if your best friend is this, and this, and that, you never said nothing, never apologized, nothing, no, that's still your, okay, but, like, just because of the relationship, like, no, player, no. You gotta weigh that out a little better. It ain't adding up. It ain't quite even. You know what I mean? So just a couple of things I gotta work on, you feel me? So just worry about your motherfucking self, you feel me? Stay in your own lane, you feel me? It is what it is, you feel me? Make sure you right first before you go pulling everybody else in, you feel me? Because you never know which way it may go, you feel me? It is what it is, you know what I mean? So, as always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you kick back with some of my other videos. Make sure you go over there and follow me on Instagram over there. You know what I mean? So, you know what time it is. Come on with it.